All right, I'm going to do a couple of present values for annuities through the spreadsheet. So we're going to use the present value formula, even though it's right here as well, but in Excel. So an ordinary annuity pays $50 a year for 6 years. Okay, so we know that the time is 6 and the interest rate here is 0.10%. So for Excel, we have to push 0.01 so that we get 1%. 0.1001 would be 1/10%, and that's what we're looking for. So because if you hit 1, that's just 100 or 1%, so it's 0.001 to get your 1/10 of, or 10%, a tenth of a percent, and it pays $50. So you know that the future value of an annuity is 0, and the payment is $50. Now remember though, here in this one it says an annuity due, so therefore we have to change the type on an annuity due to 1 instead of 0. So therefore we'll get an answer of $299.25. We paste it in here, and wait a second, we got it wrong. 0.1% of the year, an annuity due. 6 years, $50. What? Did they, this might be, okay. All right, guess what? This is not your fault. The annuity due on this one is, the problem is it's an annuity due. This should have been a 1 here for the type, but it's wrong. So actually the problem is with the IntelliPath, not with what you've done wrong. Okay, next question, an annuity. So now with an ordinary annuity, type is 0. It pays $3,300. So I'm going to type in here $3,300 into the payment section. Each year for 33 years, so in N per, which is the time, it's 33. The going rate is 3.25. The future value will always be 0 because remember, when an annuity expires, there's no money left. So it should be $66,199. And notice that that's correct. And we'll do one more. An ordinary annuity, now this is, remember, the type is going to be 0, pays $37,035. So we'll put in the payment $37,035 for 8 years. Put in for 8. 6% interest, so we put 6 in here. Remember, the future value is always going to stay 0, so that annuity should be $229,764. There we go. Okay, so if you get one wrong, don't get disgusted or disappointed or with your, well, I'm sure it's easy to get disgusted, but the problem is with the IntelliPath and not with you. So that's how you would calculate annuities and annuity dues with using Excel.